Today is another hair tutorial. The hairstyle we are going to do is a half up and half down hairstyle. So you first take the section of hair on the top. Don't grab too much, but take a section of hair and tie it off. Once you have that tied off, make an opening above the hair tie, flip it, and pull it through. Like that. Yeah, right there. Okay. Then, you're going to do it again.
Hey guys, what you doing? And don't forget to subscribe, guys, right after you watch it.
After you have both done, take the top one and put it through the second one. For the fishtail, split the hair in two. Take a little section on the right side and flip it over to the left. Take a little section on the left side and flip it over to the right. And you just keep repeating and repeating all the way down to the end and then tie it off.
Hey guys, don't you forget to subscribe.
Now, your look is complete.
Hey guys, what you doing? Did you guys subscribe yet? That's weird, you guys didn't. Go and subscribe if you haven't subscribed.